Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide cash on delivery for certain product or collections using KlinKode PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. From the Select Payment Methods dropdown, choose Cash on Delivery. Now let's define when this payment method should be hidden. Skip all sections and go to Collections and Products section. Select your desired collections from the Collections field. We will select Accessory. Now this will hide cash on delivery in checkout for any items from Accessory collection. Similarly to hide cash on delivery for specific products, just pick those products from the Products field dropdown. Cash on delivery will be hidden for these products in the checkout. Now, what if you only want cash on delivery to appear at checkout if any products from a specific collection exists? In that scenario, select Hide if not found from the dropdown. This setting ensures that cash on delivery is hidden for all orders, except those that include items from the selected collection. Let's do a test. We will hide cash on delivery if the order contains any items from Accessory collection. Let's click on Create Rule button and go to the checkout page. We will add the 3P fulfilled snowboard item to the cart and we'll try to check out. As you can see, the cash on delivery option is available because the 3P fulfilled snowboard is not coming from an Accessory collection. Now we will add Selling Plans Ski Wax to the same cart, and I assigned this item to Accessory collection earlier. As expected, now the cash on delivery is gone from the checkout page because our order contains an item from the Accessory collection. That's it. Simple way to manage payment methods with KlinKode PayRules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.